Hello, my name is Paul Fardo. I'm an application support engineer with Agilent Technologies. Today I'll be discussing the new product family, the Advanced Power System, which consists of a 1 and 2 kilowatt product family. This product was designed to solve today's toughest test challenges. Today I'll be demonstrating tracking power events. This can be very useful if a failure occurs during testing and later on you want to do some failure analysis in that device. In our demo setup, we're using the Advanced Power System with an accessory which is the black box recorder. This accessory is utilized to track power events. My device under test is an automotive light bulb, and I'm using a software to actually capture the data of the failure. We're going to be running our advanced power supply system through numerous voltage steps, and also we're going to be emulating an AC power failure to occur. After this occurs, we're going to be able to capture our data through our black box recorder. So we're now powering up the lamp. We now just emulated an AC power failure where the instrument is actually rebooting. I now started stepping the voltage. I now I'm incrementing the voltage to another level, and as you could see, the intensity of the light bulb changed. And you could see there is obviously a voltage step change, plus also your current is getting increased. Now the test has completed, and the output of the power supply is off. Here we launched the Agilent N7906 Power Assistant software in order to capture the data from the black box recorder. In the configuration, I selected to view the output voltage of the power supply, current and power, the on status and the constant voltage status of the power supply. The items below are not selected, but this does not mean that the data from the black box recorder was not captured. It's just not viewable. If I would select any of these settings, I would view that indicator. You can see that the output voltage of the power supply is about 11 volts. Also, that when the power supply was turned on, there was a current spike captured during that event. There's also a power spike occurring, but then you can see that the power level is pretty consistent. And right below that, we are viewing the output off status indicator and the constant voltage status indicator. So you could see that the power supply is on and it's in constant voltage operation. A few seconds later, you could see that the voltage level dropped down to 0. There's also a red indicator. This red indicator states that the power supply shut off and the black box recorder stopped recording. We then wait a few seconds for the power supply to start up again, and you could see that I started the voltage on my lamp at 11 volts. At immediate on, the actual inrush current was being measured. So as you could see, I'm incrementing the voltage levels into numerous steps. The power supply status is constant voltage operation. One thing is that if my current limit would be set to a really low value, the power supply would go in constant current operation. Obviously, that's not the case here. All you would have to do is select the CC status in the configuration screen, and it would indicate the event occurred. In this video, we saw the Advanced Power System evaluating one of the test challenges, which is tracking power events, utilizing the black box recorder. For more information, see URL shown, and thanks for watching.